Hi, I'm Dwight Miller with Learn AI Now. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can use Chatgpt for some real practical things. For example, schedule. You can tell Chatgpt to remind you to call someone at a specific time, and they'll come back and say, okay, I'll remind you at 3 o'clock to call. Um, Here's an example. Set a reminder to water the plants every Wednesday at 8 a.m. and reminder set to water the plants every Wednesday at 8 o'clock. It's probably better to use your phone for this because you don't have your computer. So you should have ChatGPT installed on your phone. Schedule appointments. Schedule a meeting with Sarah on Tuesday at 10, and it'll schedule a meeting in your calendar. Create a to-do list with the following tasks: buy groceries, finish report, call my mom, and it'll create that to-do list for you. Here's an example of creating a shopping list. Here's an example of some meal planning. I've got planned my meals for the week with healthy recipes, and it'll give you back a literally a week's worth of healthy recipes that you can prepare to eat. Uh, Here's a really good example. You're telling ChatGPT, I've got chicken and broccoli. What can you make? And it'll come back with a recipe or recipe suggestions. Here's some creating a travel itinerary to Tokyo, and it'll give you a detailed travel itinerary where you should visit every day. We're going to show you some examples of how these work in a little bit. Find attractions. When I'm in Rome, what do I have to see? What are some of the places that I have to see? In this case, it's saying the Colosseum, Vatican City, and the Pantheon. Recommend a good movie to watch tonight. And ChatGPT is coming back to say, okay, watch Inception. Suggest a TV show similar to a specific other TV show. Recommend a book for a mystery lover. What events are happening in Chicago this weekend? And it'll come back with the list of events that you can go to in Chicago this weekend. So you can use ChatGPT. You want to start using it to simplify your daily tasks. And we're going to show you some examples or two examples in the next video. Thanks. All right, in this video, we're going to find out what's happening in Philly this weekend. So here we go. So I asked it, what events are happening in Philly this weekend? It's going out and it's saying, here are the list of events. Corsa Roots Picnic is this weekend. It's featuring Jill Scott, Lil Wayne, Nas, and a bunch of other people. The Focus on Women Visual Arts event is happening this weekend. Devon Horse Show is happening this weekend. This is Pride Month, so we've got a bunch of Pride events that are happening this weekend. Here are some family activities at the Franklin Institute. And this is a list of some of the events that you can copy and paste to attend this weekend in Philadelphia. So you can use ChatGPT to plan events, local events in your area.